With said trust, I just paid 0 tax legally. Do we have a winner?
What is it?
Did they put in is everything going forward?
Yes.
Jackpot!
I did.
She came
So-
to our meetup.
2 months ago
Yep.
with a question, Caleb, right?
Caleb.
I need a favor. Can you hit that like button for me? I would really appreciate it, and it helps the channel out a lot. Now, let's get back to the video. I partnered with Brian and BJ when I first started.
Oh, for real?
I would still be partners with them. Good dudes, but I changed my entire structure. And unless somebody has the same exact trust structure that I do, I can't partner with them.
I have to have a $30,000 trust in order to do deals with Chris. So we're just friends then.
Yes, pretty much. But with said trust, I just paid 0 tax legally.
That's why we're in real estate. We're trying to
Meanwhile, I'm
get there.
cutting a check for 23 grand to the IRS.
Yep.
Only 23?
man.
I'm at 84.
The way I looked at it is, yes,
You ain't
the
paying
cost
that.
of the trusts were expensive. No ifs, ands, or buts. I bought 2, 25 a pop. Well, they gave me a discount because I bought 2. So I got 5 grand off. So it was 45,000. And with those, I made roughly $500,000 go tax-free.
Nice.
So basically what I would have paid in taxes, I paid for those trusts.
Yeah.
So now I'm even basically. Next year I'll start making on that. Pretty exciting stuff. You got a, what are these things, dry erase?
Yeah, plenty of those things.
I know you do, because you come prepared.
Always.
You come prepared,
Always.
Mr.
I
Mora.
don't go to a meetup unless there's a whiteboard in my truck. I've done deals in the parking lot. Somebody needed help on a deal, and then I just bring out the whiteboard.
Minus the whiteboard I've done, so
What?
I've done the same, just without the whiteboard. Which color are we going with
I think
today?
black, dude.
Yeah,
Black looks better on a camera.
You're right. Because why would we do something without filming it for public consumption?
Seriously.
Do we have a winner?
What is it?
Did they put in is everything going forward?
Yes.
Jackpot!
I did.
She came
So-
to our meetup.
2 months ago
Yep.
with a question, Caleb, right?
Caleb.
Hey, real quick, can you hit that like button for me? I appreciate you. Thanks. Friend in the military, Caleb, had a house, got transferred for work. With the bridge being not there anymore, it redirected traffic. So he moved closer to work and would have had to sell his house at a loss. We broke down, did the whole whiteboard. It's all over my YouTube, probably his as well, of how to do a lease with option. And they kicked around, fought, found all the right people, went through all of the things, and they just got it rented in, what, 60 days? Or you found a tenant buyer in 60 days.
Nice.
They're projected now to make, it's kind of a wide range, but about 45 to 80,000, depending on how everything goes over the next 5 years, versus he would have had to write a check if he sold his house now. And they were getting ready to call a realtor. Obviously, I'm a realtor. I told him.
Where's the house at?
I told him not to call me.
What?
Figure, I'll help you and guide you along doing it on your own, and it worked.
I do want to say the Dirty Rotten Wholesaler was the first person to throw out the word lease option in that meeting.
He was.
Yeah.
He
Everybody
was.
was talking cash
Yeah.
flow about like long-term rentals. Like, what about a lease option? And then all of a sudden the whole.
I was like, oh, hey, I just did one of these. Let me break down how it works.